Maison Margiela replica sneakers are inspired by Austrian sports shoes from the 70s. But of course, Margiela takes it up a notch. These sneakers feature premium nubuck leather and velour, giving them that smooth, high-end texture. And look at that paint splatter design. This isn't just a shoe, it's wearable art. Every single pair has a unique pattern, making no two exactly alike. Maison Margiela is known for its deconstructionist approach to fashion, and these shoes reflect that perfectly. The minimalist silhouette mixed with the bold artistic elements makes these a statement piece for any wardrobe. Plus, they're ridiculously comfortable. You get that classic German army trainer silhouette but with a luxury twist. And just look at how clean they are. You can rock these casually or even dress them up a little. Whether you're into streetwear or high fashion, these will definitely turn heads. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Now, before we continue, let me tell you about the awesome website where I got these kicks from. If you're looking for high-end sneakers, whether you're looking for style, comfort, or affordability, repsneaker.net has you covered. Now, let's talk about the best part, the price. These sneakers originally cost $136, but because you're watching Rsnow unbox, you get an exclusive 15% discount. Pay $115.60 when you use the discount code RSNOW at checkout. That's a huge steal for this level of quality. So, if you're looking to upgrade your sneaker game without breaking the bank, this is your chance. I know a lot of you ask, is repsneaker.net legit? And the answer is yes. You can check out customer reviews and ratings on Trustpilot. They have tons of satisfied buyers who vouch for their quality and service. Alright, guys, that's it for today's unboxing. If you love these sneakers and want a pair for yourself, head over to repsneaker.net and don't forget to use code RSNOW at checkout to save 15%. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future unboxings. Drop a comment below and let me know which sneakers you want to see next. See you in the next video, stay fresh.